Our 24 asked a question. He's using a beard growth oil for 7 days, but till now he hasn't seen any results. So he needs advice about what he can do. I just want to be frank with you. 7 days is just too soon for you to be able to see the results. It takes time. I always say that if you want to grow a beard, you need to learn one thing, and that thing is patience. All beard growers, they have one thing in common. They all have patience. Manuel Mesa asked me a question saying, does a beard growth oil help to grow a beard if you are under 18 or if you are 18? It does, but you just have to be patient. There are no two ways about it. If you are facing challenges growing a beard, you are 18, I'm 23 years old, and I'm still growing a beard. I'm also still actually struggling with my beard, but it's growing. As you can see, this is the beard on my face and I'm happy about it. All men who want to grow a beard need to be patient. If you are under 18, you find that you're growing beards in the areas where you don't even expect. Some areas grow beard, some areas don't grow beard, and the patchiness here and there. You just need to understand that it's the time when the beard starts to grow, and it's the time when you are going to know if you are able to grow a beard or if you are not able to grow a beard, because there are two things that play an important role in beard growth. There is what we call testosterone and there is what we call genes. No one from your parents who grows beard, you can't grow a beard, okay? If you have low testosterone levels, it's gonna be hard for you to grow a beard. But if you have high testosterone levels, even if you are 17, you start seeing the beard growing. There are different people in this world, those who have high testosterone levels and those who have low testosterone levels. If you have low testosterone levels, you can boost it by doing things like exercising, going to the gym and doing all sorts of stuff. Lifting weight boosts testosterone levels. So if you want to boost testosterone so that you grow a beard, start going to the gym, start exercising every day, and start taking care of your face. Daily, wash it twice a day.